Good evening, friends. We are getting ready to prepare a Christmas fruit cake, and today I'll show you the ingredients for 1 kilo of dry fruit mix that we are going to use for the cake. This is only the dry fruit part. So we have with us, I've measured everything. It's 1 kilo over here. We have black seedless raisins, we have golden seedless raisins, we have tutti frutti, 1 packet. We have orange peel, red and pale yellow. We have 3 packets, and we have glazed cherries. We have 3 packets, and all this is going to weigh. Let me bring it in front. Let me add all this to the weighing scale. So these are 650 grams. And we have around 150 to 150 grams of black raisins, and another 150 grams of gold raisins. So the weight is approximately 900 grams, 900 to 1 kg. So you need to make 1 kilo of dry fruits. Today what we are going to do is we're going to clean these top stalk of the raisins, and then we're going to cook. We're cooking both of these with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit of alcohol. You may choose whiskey, brandy, rum, whatever you like, up to your taste. So that's what we're going to do today. So we'll do that, and we'll come back with the next recipe in a day or two. So what I have done now is I have rinsed the raisins first. I have put them in the pot. I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can see the sugar very clearly here. I've also added some alcohol, 2 tablespoons of alcohol of your choice, whatever you like. So what we're going to do now is simmer this on a very low flame without anything else. And once it's cooled down tonight, tomorrow we'll empty that in this glass jar. Just keep it airtight and closed till we prepare our cake.